Hello everyone, this is Group 28 Sprint Review 2. Today we'll be going over our 3 user stories in this sprint, and a brief overview of the sprint is that we were able to complete everything on time and we are prepared and ready for the next sprint. To dive right in, our first user story was to process access requests. A brief description of this is just to create an option to accept, deny, or click on hold for each request. So to look at this in action, we can get a request, we can click on a request. In the status section is where we can edit this. You double click and then you can do accept, deny, or on hold, and then simply just save. And then another acceptance criteria for this sprint is to have a space to write additional comments in the comment section. As you can see below status, we do have the comment section. Just double click and you can just simply ask for more information. And then just click save. To go on to our next user story, which is just learning how to generate status reports. The acceptance criteria for this one was to just complete research, and that is something every member of the group did. No matter if they were a developer or not, every single person in our group went through the training to create a report. And then moving on to our third user story is actually generating the request status report. And a brief description of this user story is the data stored has to create, read, and update reports with filters. So to create a report, we click on the Reports tab, and we click on the Request Status Report, which has already been made. And with this, we can filter it through these options over here. And then you would simply just click Run Report, and then you could even save. Our group was able to complete this sprint on time and completely through. We are on track and prepared for the next sprint. We do expect some changes to be made to our project so far once we learn a little bit more about Salesforce, but we are willing and we know that we have to go back and edit some things. We may find better ways to do stuff on Salesforce or better functions, learn more information, so we will keep you updated as we make any changes, but as of right now, our group is on track.